Today we are bringing you the delightful red chicken. Tender chicken pieces marinated in rich spices and slow cooked in a creamy tangy gravy. Stick around to discover the secret. Let's start with our marinade. In a mixing bowl, take half kg of chicken. Sprinkle in 1.5 teaspoons of salt, 3/4 teaspoon of turmeric, 2 teaspoons of Kashmiri chili powder, and 1 teaspoon of garam masala. Add 15 ml of soy sauce, 4 tablespoons of chili sauce, 3 tablespoons of tomato sauce, 3 tablespoons of tomato paste, and 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste. Give it a good mix and let it marinate for an hour. This step is crucial for the burst of flavor in every bite. Meanwhile, heat a kadai and dry roast 10 almonds and 10 cashews. When they start to change color, add 3/4 cup of dry coconut powder and keep stirring until it turns golden brown. Dish it out and let it cool. This blend of nuts and coconut adds a rich creamy texture to our dish. Next, heat a pan and pour enough oil for deep frying 4 medium-sized chopped onions. Gently put the onions in and fry until brown. Dish them out and keep them aside. These crispy fried onions are going to add a delightful sweetness to our red chicken. Once the nuts and coconut have cooled, put them in a grinder jar and grind to a smooth paste. Add 3 tablespoons of thick yogurt and blend them until smooth. Now add this ground paste to the marinated chicken. This is what gives our gravy that velvety finish. Crush the fried onions and add them to the chicken. Mix well and let it set for 15 minutes. This additional marination time allows all the flavors to melt together perfectly. Place a big kadai on the stove and pour in 6 to 7 tablespoons of oil. Add the marinated chicken to the oil and pour in 200 ml of water. Mix well and let it cook on high flame for 5 minutes. Then reduce the flame to low, cover the lid and cook for 25 minutes, stirring occasionally. The slow cooking process ensures the chicken is tender and the gravy is thick and rich. Check the consistency. It should be thick and the chicken perfectly cooked. Garnish with fresh coriander leaves and dish out. And there you have it, red chicken. This dish is perfect for any special occasion or gathering. If you enjoyed this recipe, remember to like, share and subscribe for more mouth-watering dishes. Thank you for joining me today. Happy cooking!